We received a gift. It's a electric smoker from Masterbuilt. I'm going to open it and see how it looks like. Okay, it's opened, but it's pretty heavy. It seems I have to open the side to take it out. Actually, I'm going to open the bottom, then flip it up, take off the cardboard box from the top. Okay, this is a smoker. I'm going to take off the packaging outside. Well, it looks pretty nice, but it seems I have to probably put this together. Okay, here has some small parts. Well, got some parts out. Looks really nice, but needed to figure out what are these for. Obviously, this is a power. This is a thermometer. Anyway, need to figure out. These are legs. Just put it on like this. Putting legs on are quite simple. There are 3 screws. Just tighten them. This is a handle. Just put it on like this. There are 2 screws there. Obvious, this is a handle. Should go here. This is a thermometer. Should go there. Okay, last component is this oil pan. It goes to the bottom. Okay, it's ready to use. By the way, this pan is for water, and this one is for wood chips.